Oh my God, you guys, come in, sit down, and shut the door. This is the worst Sunday ever for Diddy's team, and baby, they are doing cartwheels to try to save this sinking ship. Y'all, listen, Diddy's team just filed a new motion. Now, listen, a lot of people are trying to be like, oh my God, they got Bonna, they gonna get her for perjury. But let me give you some real insight. You ever read something so legally flimsy and emotionally desperate that you can feel the panic coming off the page? Because that's exactly what this latest filing from Diddy's legal team is. It's a frantic attempt to erase Bonna's testimony. You know Bonna, the one that said that he hung her over a balcony, Cassie's balcony on the 17th floor, and so many people were running with, oh my God, she perjured herself. She lost the jury. She lied. And I said, y'all, this actually happened. Diddy is the one gaslighting a nation. Well, guess what? The federal government hit back and said, baby, you want to call a witness a liar? We're bringing in hardcore proof that it happened and proof that it's obstruction, right? Well, get this. Back to Diddy's latest legal filing. Their attempt to erase Bonna's testimony. Not because it isn't true, but because it's far too true to survive a cross-examination. Now, we're talking about that FaceTime call from a man tied to Diddy, Rob Holiday. Used to be one of Bonna's closest friends, but after that call, they fell out. Because get this, and keep this in mind as we walk you through what's going on with this latest legal filing that was filed at the 11th hour. This call was placed before Bonna had told a soul she was considering legal action. It's the kind of thing that screams obstruction, or at the very least consciousness of guilt. But instead of addressing the substance, Diddy's lawyers are doing what powerful men and their accomplice women have always done when the truth gets too close. They're going to try to argue this out in paperwork.